Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk beauty, health, hygiene, lifestyle, a little bit of everything. And I want to ask you, do you wear long sleeve every day just because of dark underarm? Did you buy a new sleeveless or off-shoulder top but you're scared to flaunt it in public? Is winter your favorite season just because you can hide those dark underarms beneath your clothes? Listen, it's about time you stopped worrying, because I'm about to show you how to lighten your dark underarms fast. So if you're interested to know, just keep watching. Also, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. You're welcome back. My name is Vera Golden. Let me tell you one thing. Dark or discolored underarm is not a medical condition, and it can be caused by maybe shaving, accumulation of dead cells, excessive sweating, improper ventilation, usage of certain medications or deodorants. And being cautious all the time demands you to sacrifice your freedom. And that's one thing that I don't want for you, okay? So just try this natural, safe, and cost-effective remedy to lighten your underarm. There are 5 things that we'll need for this process. And the first one is baking soda. We all know it's an incredible exfoliate that unclogs pores and lightens underarm. The next one will be lemon. It's a powerful antiseptic and natural bleaching agent. The third one we'll use is honey. Honey is naturally soothing and has healing properties. The fourth one will be turmeric. It revives the skin, bringing out its natural glow. The last one is the heavy whipping cream. It soothes and deeply nourishes the skin. So let's go ahead and mix, okay? Come with me. So what you will do is apply this all over your underarm, okay? All over your underarm. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash with warm or cold water. Please do not use hot water. Also remember to use a glove if your nails are done. Also wear a top that you can throw away, because if it gets stained, it might not wash off. Do this 3 days, you will see a tremendous change. If after 3 days you still need to apply more, just go down to once a week or 2 weeks, just because of the baking soda. You don't want it to irritate your skin. Do not use it on your face. Check my video where I showed how to exfoliate your skin. I promise you your skin will glow with pride. The link is on my description box. So here is my before and after pic. Alright, that's it, you guys. let's keep the subscription coming. Also, like and share this video, okay? I'm going to do my first giveaway once I get 1,000 subscribers, and more will come after that, I promise. The more the channel grows, the more giveaways I'll do. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for your support so far. Take care of you and show kindness wherever you are. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.